I just made a quick video of Wi-Fi noise that can be heard at the home studio. So I'm gonna crank up the amp now. You hear this rhythmical clicking sound. It goes through the wah pedal now, so it's less noticeable in this position, but this is how you can hear it. So that's the Wi-Fi unit. If I bring the wah pedal closer, you can hear really loud noise. It doubles the speed and so on. You see? Depending on the position. So this is really annoying, and sometimes you cannot tell where it comes from when you're recording. And this is plugged into the bass now with a single coil pickup. If I put it for both pickups, it's going to be hum reduction. It's quieter, but still you can hear it. Now not clicking, but just the strange hum. So let's see what happens if I unplug the Wi-Fi unit. Nothing happens. Amazingly, it turns out that this TV, LG TV, in the living room causes this noise here. Look what happens when I plug it in. This is my plug. Unbelievable. Listen to that. Here we go. That's supposed to be FCC approved unit. You see, it goes berserk, start drumming faster and faster. Wow. So the moment I turn it off, unplug it, it's quiet. So I had double problem. I had a Wi-Fi unit emanating some noise and LG TV. Wow. To summarize this short video, I gotta tell you I had two problems. One was Wi-Fi and the second is TV, LG TV in the living room. And if you don't want all these clicking noises on your recording, you should turn it off, both of Wi-Fi and TV, if you have them. Not to mention air conditioning, refrigerator, stuff like this. It reminds me of the story that I've read on the internet about one guy who complained about his audio interface to the tech guy, and tech guy didn't find anything as always. And they were going back and forth, and finally the guy came to tech guy, and turns out he had a smart watch on his hand. That was the solution. It was humming and buzzing and clicking. So don't wear your freaking watch while you're recording. That's it for today, for this video. If you like it, hit the like button. Thank you very much.